Good morning, students. Today we are going to study here this practice set 38. These examples of this inverse proportion. See first one. Practice set 38. Five workers take these 12 days to weed a field. How many days would 6 workers take, and how many days would 15 workers take? Here two questions. First, upon these 5 workers take 12 days. 5 workers take here 5 workers take how many days? 10 days. 5 workers take 10 days and 12 days. 12 days. And how many days would the 6 workers take? 6 workers take, right here, x days. How many days? X days. Then here product here this 5 into 12 is equal to 6 into x. Then x is equal to 5 into 12 divided by this number here 6. Then this 6 number divided by this 12, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, means x is equal to 10 days. Means 6 workers take how many days? 10 days. Then again one question is there, 15 workers take how many days? Then we write here, 15 workers take x days. Means firstly 5 workers take 12 days, 15 workers take x days. Then x is equal to 5 into 12 and divided by this 15. Then again here divide this 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. X is equal to 4. Means 15 workers will take here 4 days and 6 workers take here 10 days. Then you write here answer, 6 workers will take 10 days. And here 15 workers will take 4 days. See this second one example. Mohan Rao took 10 days to finish a book reading 40 pages every day. Then how many pages must he read in a day to finish in 8 days? Mohan Rao took here 10 days, 40 pages. 10 days, 40 pages he read every day. Then in 8 days, you take here x pages. Then multiplication here, 10 into 40 is equal to 8 into x. Then x is equal to 10 into 40 divided by this 8. Then 8 1 is 8, 8 5 is 40. X is equal to 50. Means in 8 days he read to finish this book how many pages? 50 pages. Then third one. Mary cycles at the speed of the 6 km per hour. How long will she take to reach her aunt's house, which is 12 km away? Then how long will she take if she cycles at the speed of this 4 km per hour? See here speed, distance is given, speed is given 6 km per hour, 12 km distance, and in 4 km per hour how many distance then you take here? No, here time is not given, distance is same. See here speed is given, distance also given, then you write here time. Speed, which speed here? 6 km per hour, and here distance is 12 km. Then 4 km per hour and distance same here 12 km. Then you take here time, firstly x hours, and here you take here y hours. Then you know that this formula, speed into time is equal to distance. Speed into time, speed into time is equal to distance. Then speed into time means speed 6 into x is equal to distance this 12. Then x is equal to 12 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6. 2 hour. 2 hour. Then this also right here. Speed into time and is equal to distance. Here speed is 4 km per hour into time y and distance 12 means y is equal to 12 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4 means y is equal to 3 hours. Then one answer is here 2 hours and second answer is 3 hours. Means Mary take 2 hours at the speed of this 6 km per hour, and see Mary take here these 3 hours at the speed of this 4 km per hour. See, again one example remain. The stock of grain in a government warehouse lasts these 30 days for 4,000 people. Then how many days will it last for these 6,000 people? The stock of grain in a government warehouse lasts these 30 days. Fourth one. And 30 days for these 4,000 people. 30 days, 4,000 persons. Then in how many days these 6,000 people? Means you take here x days, these 6,000 persons. Then do here multiplication. 30 into 4,000 is equal to x into 6,000. Then x is equal to 30 into 4,000 right here and divided by this 6,000. This 30, this 30, 6 5 are 30. Then x is equal to 5 into 4 means 20 days. In 20 days, how many persons there? 6,000. Means the stock of grain will last for in these 20 days. This practice set 38 completed. Then practice again one practice set remain in this chapter. Then tomorrow we will study. In homework you complete this practice set 38. Okay, bye.